We often talk about the latest beauty products, but none of us are up for a discussion about intimate hygiene. Precisely why we are here, so we can open this dialogue. मैं हूँ आपकी host नियति and I'm joined by my guest gynecologist Dr. Rishma Pai. Thank you so much, doctor, for being here. Today we are going to talk about how to maintain a happy, healthy, natural vaginal flora and the importance of an intimate wash. पर वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमेशा की तरह हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें and also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Welcome, doctor, to Be Beautiful. Before we begin, I would like you to introduce yourself to our audience.
Of course, my pleasure. I'm Dr. Rishma Pai. I'm a consulting gynecologist practicing in most of the major hospitals of Mumbai for almost 30 years now. I do pregnancy, deliveries, gynecology, and a lot of IVF infertility work as well.
Alright, that is fantastic. So let's begin. Okay, doc, so I need to ask you a question that what are the circumstances or stages in a woman's life when she is likely to get an intimate area infection caused due to an increase in pH?
I think it can happen at any time, any phase of a woman's life. For example, any woman who's having periods काफ़ी time चलते हैं, they change the whole environment, the area is wet, it's covered, so it's prone to infections. Pregnancy में the estrogen, progesterone hormone, there's such a hormone change in your body. Not only pregnancy, even menopause, hormones reduce a lot, so there's a change in the pH at that time. Diabetic patients, because they're so prone to infection, sugar itna high hota hai, fungal infections are common in that group of patients. Girls who have polycystic ovarian disease, आजकल तो इतना common है PCOS, and many of these girls are obese, and that causes sort of more likelihood of getting infections. Usage of antibiotics kill all the bacteria. तो जो natural healthy bacteria होते हैं वो भी because of antibiotics they die, and so the pH changes. So there are many conditions throughout the life जबकि pH और environment vagina का change हो जाता है, and then infections are common.
With that, we've come to an end of the Be Beautiful Presents Feminine Hygiene discussion. I hope we shed some light on why you need to invest in the right kind of intimate wash and how it's going to help you maintain a healthy, happy vagina. Thank you so much, doctor. That conversation was super insightful. And if you guys have any questions related to feminine hygiene, then write to us in the comment section below. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल Be Beautiful को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. And while you're at it, ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated every time we post a new video.